Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're all doing well. Drop a GM in the chat. Also, scalp that like button. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday, Friday, Friday. What a week it has been for trading this week. It seriously has been eye-opening, you could say the least. We're kind of finally breaking out of this consolidation pattern we've been in for the entire week. And it really has affected my trading big time. But pandas, today's a new day. And we have these accounts here, top left of your screen. We are positive currently. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. We're pushing down now. Market's about to open in a couple minutes here. But meanwhile, pandas. Weekly chart. Makes a new all-time high. Kind of gets paused here. Interesting. Kind of pauses here. 5-minute charts just have been absolutely diabolical. Diabolical. Still, this bear bar ending on its low, bear bar ending on its low, just reverses. It's kind of crazy that happens. I really need to figure out when I'm in risk of something like this happening. Happens almost every time here. It's tough, 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 tough. Crimson Demon, good morning. Benali Hawk, good morning. Bill 7, good morning. Panda, scalp that bamboo. Bub Stocks, good morning. TGIF, Charles Wilson, good morning. Bill 7 said, just hit the sell button instead of the buy, made $80. That's how you win. In all your heart's intentions, you do one thing, and then you do the opposite, and the market gets tricked because the market reads your heart, and it does the opposite of what your heart actually wants, and so you got to actually do opposite of what you really want. My biggest weakness, seriously, are days like yesterday, the days before. When the market just starts doing stuff like this, pandas. When the market starts doing stuff like this, you just need to stay away. Market looks like this, so many overlapping bars. You gotta just stay away and just get ready to trade with limit orders. Even this is like, am I gonna put a limit order up here? Am I really gonna do that? I don't know. I don't know, pandas. We got second entry short forming here. Market's about to open. Let's wait till market open. We had news earlier. You can see here news happening. This price action is news price action. You can just tell by how big the bars are. But I believe that's all today. What the heck? Yes. Wow. News this week, next week. What is the market up to, pandas? Are we ever going to hit that goal? Are we ever going to hit that goal, pandas? The 100-like goal equaling a $100 giveaway. Are we ever going to hit that goal, pandas? Second entry short does trigger here. It's probably good. It's like when it's like the worst situation possible, it's usually pretty good. Doesn't touch a Tony May. Bad signal bar. Like right before market opens. Everything's bad about this, but it's probably gonna work out. It's like the ones that you least suspect work out well. But the ones that are beautiful, they never work. Yeah, the second short ends up working out. Makes a new low. Yeah, it works out really well. Like the ugly ones usually work out. The ones you skip. But the ones you enter in, then it gets fishy. Alright, what's going on here? Not sure what to do here. Pandas, we are in one contract probation until we get the payouts. Goodness gracious, pandas. Market's about to open 4 minutes here. Pandas, are you ready? Are you ready to make some bamboo today? We forget about yesterday. Today is a brand new day. Today we focus on the market cycle. I honestly, this week, have not been trading according to market cycle, but I've been trading according to setups, which is very bad. Don't trade. The setups don't mean anything. The market cycle's not there. The most important thing is identify market cycle. If you can't do that, then you can't trade. Absolutely. I mean, you can do well for a while, You can do pretty good for a while, pandas. But once the market cycle changes on you and you trade the wrong style for the wrong market cycle, ooh, that one day, that's that one day that blows your accounts. That's all it takes, pandas. Basically, you gotta trade. Everything you do needs to be focused on that one day that blows your accounts to prevent that from happening. Every single decision has to be done to prevent that kind of day. I mean, it can be easily done with just like max stop loss. For me, maybe I'll max stop loss at 600 or 1,000. I think 1,000 is a max stop loss. I mean, I've come back from 1,000. I've come back from 2,000. I've come back from 2,500. I've come back from 3,000. I've come back from huge numbers. But I think once you hit like that $1,000 loss, like you can't lose more than you win, right? So if you only win like $500, that means you can't really lose more than $500. So our max win is 1,500. So we can use that as our baseline to see how much we can lose. So maybe, yeah, let's say half of that. 750. That's the max we would lose. Does that make sense? I mean, this market is obviously moving today. It's moving a certain direction. Daily chart. Starting to drip a little bit here. Okay, we're hitting this trend line here. We peaked above it, just a little bit. I mean, that's $1 million question. Nor says, your comeback game is on point. My question would be, when do you know you can come back from this versus when to stop? Bob Song's like, I just need to pass this eval. Forget everything else. Oh, that's a good question. I think when the market starts to not look pretty, like every once in a while, like I'll lose like 3 in a row in the beginning of the day. And then once the market cycle starts to become very clear, I start winning. But let's say the market cycle is not clear. That's when I should stop, right? There's a difference. When I keep trading, when the market cycle is clear versus not clear, I mean, that's a pretty big difference in terms of performance and how I feel and how much clarity I have, really. Then the second edge short works beautifully, but right near market open. So we're going to set our pause here. Pandas, are you ready? Are you ready? Huge gap on the 5-minute chart. Let me show you the 5-minute chart real quick. Actually, let me see if I can get a trap here. Let's see if I can get a trap here, pandas. We'll start this day off with a trap. Another second just short here, but many overlapping bars. We're gonna look for the trap here, pandas. Okay, we're in this trap. I think almost every single trade I want is like a 1 to 2. I want a 1 to 2 on every single trade. Ooh, that trap fails. Or does it? We'll start with an opening trap here. And it looks like a trap, a double trap. We trap here and we trap here. So you already know today might be a little bit tricky. I always want a 1 to 2. How about that, pandas? 2, because I'm only trading one contract, I'm gonna look for a 1 to 2 every single time. So I attempted a trap here to reverse it back up to some sort of area. It's getting very choppy now. Market cycle is a bit confusing, right? We got so much overlap, so many overlapping bars, so many overlapping bars that the trap doesn't even work. That's when you know it's very choppy. Second just short forming on the higher time frame. Look at the 5-minute chart real quick. 5-minute chart, boom. That's where we open. Goodness gracious. We got so many gaps here. It's just a very gappy market. Right? It seems like a lot of the price action happens in the Globex session. Got another trap here. Might push down pretty hard. Sitting on my pause because it looks confusing to me. Trap fails. Trap fails again here. Very confusing. Lots of overlap right here. You see that you have a bunch of overlapping bars. Okay. I'm curious to see what happens here. We're gonna push down, or should I be buying here? Should I do something cheeky? Might be too early to do something cheeky. Mawashi, good morning. Ruben, good morning. Hans, good morning. Drop a GM in the chat. Scalp that like button. Pandas, can we get to 100 likes? Is it actually possible, Pandas? Let's get to 100 likes today. Do a $100 giveaway. Why not? Why not? Just because I love y'all. Just because this is the best comedian on YouTube verified. It's like actually short forming again here. But overlap, tons of overlap. Very confusing to take that setup. We have this much overlap. It looks a little bearish, to be honest. But with all this overlap and with it, you're stuck within this channel, it's hard to take that trade, in my opinion. Plus, the signal bar is not good. Outside bar reversal. But this could move. This could move to the downside very quickly. I may take a trap here. If it does trap again. Oof! Look at that. This is why you stay away. This is why you stay away. I mean, maybe just limit order trading. Just limit order here. Come back to the bottom of this channel. Is the market being that obvious? The market cannot be that obvious, can it? The market cannot really be that dumb. Like, if I buy here, I'm going to come back to the top of the channel. There's no reason the market's going to be that stupid. There's no way it could be that stupid. Is the market going to be that dumb today? Literally just buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. In this trade, I mean, might as well see what happens. Or the market made its decision to finally flush here. Okay. It's not looking pretty for me. Oof, that looks bad. Real bad. Ooh, that looks bad. All right, I thought I can catch it because it was just bouncing on this for a while, but now it's finally flushing. The market might have made its decision to start really pushing down now. Let's see if we can capture this downtrend here. Okay, trap fails here, a little far away from 20 MA. I thought the market has made its decision to flush here. Let's see if we can catch something. If this reverses here again, it's just confusing. Wow, it does trigger the fourth push down. We're gonna try to get a 1 to 2 here. My risk is very small. I'm just a scalp risk here. Looking for a 1 to 2. Looks like we're not gonna get it. Made the 1 to 1, but the 1 to 2 seems to be harder to get. We'll see if we can get it. Keep pushing, lower highs. Yikes, that's gonna get me here. So it feels like, at least. That'd be nice. That's a nice push down. 1 to 1 hits again. Can we get the 1 to 2 is a question. 1 to 2 still not hit. We're gonna hold to the 1 to 2, pandas. Holding for the 1 to 2. Oh, so close, Pandas. Oh, there it is, Pandas. It felt like I escaped death like 3 or 4 times. Good morning, smash that like button, smash, smash. So we lost how many? We lost 1, 2. We lost 2, 1, 1. Now 155. Could have made more. But Pandas, because we're trading one contract, I'm not looking for more than 1 to 2. I gotta take it at least at 1 to 2. Strong bear bars on the 5-minute chart forming here. I mean, this is on breakout mode, breakdown mode, whatever you want to call it, on the higher time frames. So when you look at the 5-minute chart, it just looks very bearish. It's 2 bear bars, super strong push down. Daily chart, we're actually touching the 20 EMA on the daily chart, Pandas. Does that mean something? Does that mean we can reverse here? I don't know. I actually don't know. Pandas, what does it mean? Second edge short triggers a trap. But it's an outside bar reversal trap. Is this just a downtrend day today, Pandas? Like, should I even try? Should I even try to ever go long here? Not when it's beneath the 20 EMA like this. No, sir. No, sirree. Not when you're beneath the 20 EMA like that. I will pass. Trap this trigger, but lower high may come about. I failed trap here. I'll take the lower high, see what happens. Is it 2 to 1 type situation? Why not go for it? Why not? Why not? Double bottom here, maybe. Oof. That sucks. I thought we had a nice push down. We got the lower high here. Failed trap. Why not? I'm not down too much here, Pandas. It looks like it might reverse here now. We really should have pushed down again. The fact that we didn't do what we're supposed to do here makes me feel like this is starting to reverse. We should have made a strong push down. We should have, but we did not. So it makes me feel like we're reversing here. 2 strong bull bars. I mean, what do I do? Do I just buy anywhere, everywhere type situation? Buy off the 20 EMA, maybe? Maybe just a higher low situation. The fact that we couldn't make a new low here makes me very wary. Alright. Could be a bull trap here. Just a pullback on the higher time frames. What is that? What a strong pullback. Okay. Almost, did you withdraw money from accounts? Yes. I have withdrawn many times. Many times. But I will say this year has been difficult. Okay, lower high. I'm not interested here just because I tried that already. Now this is outside bar reversal, even worse. I mean, I don't know if I can go long here though. Definitely can't go long here. It's starting to look a little bearish, but let's see. Let's try. Let's see what happens. I feel like this wants to push down again one more time. Yeah, the inside bar breaks to the downside. Now it's doing what it should have done back here, but it's doing it now. I need to get into a short here. Man, if we can get a small pullback, I would love that. It's already making its move. I feel like I just need to get short here. No setup for it. Unfortunately. Really unfortunate. I wanted to set up to get in there, but the fail second entry long was what I was looking for. Maybe we can get one here, but we'll see. It might be just like you just have to jump in. Like if you see, oh, okay, I'll take it. It's really far away from 20 MA, which I don't like, but looks bearish now. Continuation pushes have been failing like incredibly bad. What is that? Okay, small risk one more time. Oof, doesn't quite actually trigger my setup. Darn it. This is crazy. Very confusing. I tried to time it, but it was like 10 ticks away and then it triggers and then it doesn't actually trigger my setup here. Are we gonna actually reverse here now? Is it reversal time, pandas? Not the best looking signal bar. It's okay. You can try here. Doesn't really trigger what I want it to trigger. That's all good. Looking for a 1 to 2. And I'm basing off my 1 to 2 off of actual entry where I should have entered. Oh, this traps, huh? Alright, we could be reversing here. Right, we should have pushed down again. But instead, we're pushing back up with this trap trade. Ah, this might be my stop loss, man. I should stop here. I should. Darn. This is tough. This is tough. Trap triggers. Just an uptrend now. I don't know what it is. Sit on my pause a little bit for a little bit. Figure out what's happening. Couldn't even make a 1-to-1 on this second entry short. Break a trend new low. Maybe trading range or reversal here. I mean, you gotta look for a second entry long. If you're looking to jump in this uptrend, second entry long. Push just down. Doesn't quite break this high. Yuck. Hard to trade that. Like, hard to enter short here when it looks that bullish. 5-minute chart literally is just starting to get sideways. Norse's could be trading range, absolutely. Day trader Apex is under fire lately. How so? How many times have I heard this? How many times have I heard this? What are they fire under? What exactly is making them under fire? Fire under. Day trader, I'm just sour. Wait, what happened? Did you get denied a payout? If anyone gets denied a payout, the first question is I have to ask why. I have to ask why. And if you actually violated terms, you know. John Q says Daryl bought 20 luxury horses and ponies with my payout on his ranch. On his ranch in Texas. Risk management. Is it fair? Is there risk management fair? Is it like, did you go like max contracts on one trade to like, you know, to like bring your accounts back alive again or something like that? We are pushing up here. Okay, looking to break this high here. Okay, higher low. Very interesting. You know, we got these strong bear bars. You're not really thinking to reverse it, but we are riding along here on this channel. Interesting. What to make of this? I don't know if I was ready to go long like this. This looks like a reversal. We break this high here, so we're no longer in a downtrend. This high is broken, so we gotta consider this a reversal now. Question is, how do I jump in this reversal? How do I jump in here, pandas? What do I do? These haven't been nice to me. These traps that trigger far away from 20 MA. They've been very mean to me. A mean mistress lately. Okay. Interesting. I don't know. Can I go long here, pandas? Does it make sense to go long here? I feel like the answer is no. I feel like the answer is wildly no. Yeah, wildly no. Why'd I even try, pandas? What was I thinking? Lower high getting ready here. Give it to me. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. What? What? Wait. Okay. Pandas for a second there. I thought I almost had thrown my computer out the window. I almost just slammed my monitor. Almost broke its back on my knee. Almost lifted it above my head and just almost slammed it on my knee and break its back like Bang broke Batman's back. I'm thinking like pro wrestling. I almost suplexed my monitor. My 58-inch monitor, almost suplexed it out the window. Goodness gracious, Pandas, that was crazy. Daryl's most likely on a luxury boat with the number of resets I've paid. You and me both. Truly. Pandas, can we get to 100 likes today? We're at 21 with 61 viewers. I think we have a lot more to go, Pandas. I believe you guys have a lot more to go. Getting that 1 to 2. Have we stopped this reign of terror on this uptrend here? We double topped here. Fail second entry long could be a decent trade here. Right? Overshoot to undershoots here. Second entry short. 2500 tick chart. I mean, but what's my risk? How much am I willing to risk here? Am I in this trade? I'm actually in this trade. I close this. I'm closing it. I'll take the trap here. In this trade, reverses immediately. You gotta love that. I mean, a 1 to 2 again, at least. I don't know if we're gonna get this though. We have this trend line in the way. Yeah, this trend line is gonna cause some problems, I think, for us. Or not. Maybe get the 1 to 2, hopefully. I wish it was just quick. I wish it was quick and painless. But it ain't. No.
Target filled.
Right, I'm out. 1 to 1. Goodness gracious. It's like reverse. Almost broke my neck and I could have held it for my 1 to 2. But that was crazy, Pandas. I got scared. I got a little bit scared. I got scared. Wow, that was crazy movements. I should have held it for the 1 to 2. It just reversed so quickly. I said, you know, okay, I'll take my 1 to 1. I'm sorry. And then just reversed back down. That was crazy. John Q says he's going to share his 100% win rate signals today after the market closes. How convenient. Sounds like 99.999% of YouTube content creators, except for one. Of course, you know the name. The name is Bye Bye Money. There's no way that my stream is fake. You see how much money I lose? There's no way my stream is fake. There's no way I'm faking this, Pandas. There's no way someone can fake losing this much money. 100% real. We're down 320. It's not the worst, Pandas. It's not the worst. It's not the worst. Not the best. It's not the worst either, Pandas. If you think about it. Man, I wanted that 1 to 2, but alright. It's okay. This looks like it wants another leg down, to be honest. It looks like it wants to push down kind of hard. The 5-minute chart looks like it wants another push down, making a new low. That's what it looks like. Kind of build a little bit of a flag here. It looks like it's going to push down pretty hard. That's what it looks like to me, at least. Can we get an entry, though? Maybe just come back to the 20 EMA. I could try. I've been having a couple bounces off the 20 EMA so far. Okay. Maybe make a new low here. Pushing down. Furnace. Getting choppy. Right, getting choppy, especially bouncing off the 20 EMA. So it's hard for me to buy here, but I'm very comfortable selling here off the 20 EMA. It looks like starting to create this channel here. If we break down beneath this channel, then it's just a breakdown. It's hard to time those, right? It's hard to enter short here when you know that this is starting to make a channel like this. What it is, making a new, looking for a new low here for the day. So it looks like, pandas. Okay, looking for the new low. Yeah, like I mentioned on the 5-minute chart, it looked like it really wanted to push down to make a new low. And that's what it ended up doing. Just unfortunate, not much setups to jump into that. Had no setups to jump into this flush down. Now we're at the previous day's or previous low, and let's see what happens. Now we're going absolutely choppy here. I mean, should I try? Should I just do something silly? Should I just do something silly like this? Be a silly little panda. Jump into this barcode trading. Jump into barcode trading with the barcode. Look at that. That's crazy. And it does trigger down, but we have so many overlapping bars in a row. I don't know what's happening here. Could be a small bear flag. But should I jump in the barcode trading? Should I play along in the barcode? Maybe I'll sell here, second entry short. I'm in the barcode trading here. Let's see if we can get it. Absolutely fails the moment I enter in. Second entry short here? Maybe. I mean, I can pretty much treat that like the second entry short here. Ooh, trap trades, and I'm still in somehow. It don't look like it's gonna last very long. I'm dead. Trap trades. Okay, fails. Trap fails here again. Tough. I don't know, pandas. I don't know. I'm not good enough to know what's gonna happen here. I try to enter that barcode and it takes me out on the barcode. Maybe I should have stayed away from it because it kind of broke out maybe to the upside like this. So that barcode was not viable anymore. Possibly. All right, 4 pushes up. Pushing strong up here. Go for a 1 to 2, see if we can get it. Almost a 1 to 2.
Target filled.
1 to 2. We're down 150. It's L4 setup. Also trap trade on the higher time frames. What a fun day it is today, pandas. All this work to make negative $150. You gotta love trading sometimes. You really gotta love trading. Bub Socks, what inspired your name? For me, it's more like a break your leg type situation. The worst you can do is lose money when it comes to trading, so might as well own it, right? I could have made that much money by getting a speeding ticket. At least getting a speeding ticket is much more fun than this. We're having so much fun getting negative $150 here. Let's look for a trap trade here, pandas. I mean, we have to get above this trend line, above the 20 MA. If we get above it and trigger the trap above, ooh, second to short off our trend line. I gotta try. It's off our trend line, also off the 20 MA. I couldn't get in. It just triggered so quick. I'm getting greedy here. I want a deeper. All right. Got a little greedy. I could look for 10. Quick scalp, maybe. Worried about the bottom of the channel here. Or I can go for my classic 1 to 2. The classic 1 to 2, of course. 1 to 1 was already made, which is nice. Well, technically, actually, the 1 to 2 should be here. So a 1 to 1 was not made, actually. All right, because technically you should have entered right here, and you're looking for at least a 1 to 1. So just overall, not a good. The trade just didn't work out. I don't think it's a bad trade. Good signal bar coming off for trend line off the 20 MA. You got a lot of things going for you here. So I don't mind losing that. You lose those sometimes, pandas. What can I say? What can I say? You lose those sometimes. But at least I had the cojones to take it, to try. You know what I mean? Gab, I will share my non-profitable strategy for $100. That's pretty cheap, actually. People pay a lot more for unprofitable strategies. Okay, so it takes me out, pushes down again. Quite confusing, actually. It's starting to turn to a limit order trading market where the bears are making money, right? The bears are making money here. So you gotta sell somewhere near the previous pivot highs, maybe something like this. Let's try. If this flushes, then what can you do? Just gotta watch it flush. I don't think I can enter short right here, just like that. I don't think I can. This trend line seems to be a nice place for the bears to enter in currently. Let's see if we can get a setup here. Unless we happen to enter right when it reverses or breaks out the other way, then I think we're in good shape here. Right? Basically, we're trying to use the timing of a breakout for us. Right? You know how it's very difficult to time the breakout? We're trying to use that for our advantage. Because it's so difficult to time the breakout, we're going to pretty much trade in a way where we're hoping we're not going to get a breakout. And, you know what I mean, pandas? Try to use that to our advantage here. I'm guessing the previous pivot high is a good place to stop this. Looking for a new low. That's what I'm thinking. Unless I entered right when the breakout happens, then it's just, it is what it is, right? Then the timing's impeccable. I'm happening to time the reversal perfectly here, and it's kind of going against me. But I think in theory it makes sense, right, Pandas? What I'm trying to do. Right, it's so hard to time the breakouts here that if I can play the opposite of it, hopefully I can make some bamboo. If I don't like my trade anymore, I can come out break even anytime. I'm gonna hold it. The risk is not too large. We're looking for a new low. Right, hoping this downtrend continues.
Target filled.
Let's go. Easy peasy. It's a good trade overall, I think. Right, lower highs. So like those people who try to time that breakout, right? Those people who went long here in the strong bull bar, they try to time that breakout, but it went against them. It was harder to time the breakout than not time the breakout. You know what I mean, Pandas? Does that make sense? Make sure you guys scalp that like button. We have a 100 like goal for a $100 giveaway today. You guys always crying about giveaways. Well, we have one here, and you guys are not scalping that like button. So what else can I do, Pandas? What else can I do? I'm literally giving you guys free money. Literally giving you free money. Okay. Trap triggers. But it's not a stop order market right now. It's a limit order market. What's going on here? Kind of did something weird. Kind of pushed down. Kind of created this situation. You know what I mean, Pandas? That's what it looks like it created. It created this situation. And we're pushing hard down now, and it's difficult just to jump in short right there, in my opinion. Especially because we entered a limit order market. But now the limit order market is starting to prove... I mean, it's hard just to enter any trade here at this point. I'm like trying to give you guys money. But you guys won't take it. What can I say? What else can I do? What more can I do, Pandas? How else can I show how much I love this community? Other than give you guys free money. Yeah, I mean, it could be a good question. Are any gap fills, especially on the 5-minute chart, right? You have these gap fills here. Big gap fill here. Maybe trying to fill up. Jeez, this is really pushing down, Pandas. Got 5 pushes down here. I could try. A strong bear bar ending on its low, of course, just absolutely reverses, breaks your neck. Maybe a sixth push down here? Quite possibly. Sixth push down. Without breaking the previous pivot high. Fair game. I had every opportunity to enter short here, but I didn't. The market said, hey, we're pulling back. Get in. Get in. We're going to make a new low. Get in. I said, I'm scared. Making a new low. Trying to break this white line here. If I accidentally click here, that'd be bad news. Okay, second entry short. Ooh, very interesting. Second entry short. Are we trapping here, Pandas? Looks like we're pushing mightily hard. Right, undershoot, leading to an overshoot here. But a downtrend's been so strong. Do I really want to reverse this? Yeah. I mean, look at this strong bull bar ending on its high here. Looks like a pullback is ready. The market's ready for a pullback here. Good signal bar to go short, but pandas, not today. Not today. Not on my watch. Looking for a trap trade to push back up. Maybe back to the top of the channel, creating an overshoot. Undershoot to an overshoot. Or this downtrend is a lot stronger than I think. And I should have just gone short here. I try to get too cute right there. There's a good signal bar, but I didn't like it because we're above the 20 EMA by a tick. And it was hard for me to take it, pandas, especially with these strong bull bars here leading up to it. Thought we had maybe another push out, undershoot to an overshoot. Had a lot of things I had to think about. And I didn't feel comfortable taking that short. Ends up making a new low, pandas. Amazing. Amazing downtrend day today. Just absolute bender. Look at this downtrend. This is the price action so far. Very incredible. Are we close to exhaustion is the question. Any gaps filled? Gab says the gap in my heart. You guys are all sad. You guys are so sad right now. Be happy. Smile. Think positive thoughts. Don't spiral. Do not spiral. We're ready. Pandas. We're $40 away for seeing the green. Seeing a green number. $40 away to see a green number, pandas. Can we see it? Lower high? Sure, could be okay trade. Lower high here. Sitting on my pause, of course, because I have no idea what's happening. I have no idea how to trade this. Oh, it's ugly. I'll try. Doesn't make sense, but I'll try. This is usually where it reverses, huh? This is usually where it reverses. Let's get 10 points. I wanted to jump in a super strong downtrend with any pullback, and I'm gonna get burned for it. It's all good. All good. Most predictable thing of all time that was gonna fail. Not sure what's happening here, pandas. Should I look for a short trade off the 20 MA here? Or are we looking for a strong reversal? I mean, I'm trying to go short on this downtrend, pandas. I'm trying to. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Could be a decent reversal here, but who knows? Who knows? Who knows anymore? High or low? Nope, not with a strong bear bar like that. Looking for a new low again. Just hard to enter. I just cannot enter. I have nowhere to enter here. I was not trying to go short right here. I mean, if you did, congrats, but that is a hard short to take in my opinion. What in the world? He's gonna push down hard again without me. I just don't know how to get in this. Don't know, Pandas. Sitting on my paws. I mean, I could try something cheeky here. I could. Will it pay off, though? Probably not. Making a lower high here. Not interested in lower high. It could be a channel. Oh. I've been floating in the red for a while today, Pandas. We're just loving the Red Sea. We just love wadding in it, waddling in it, wadding in it, wading in it. Wading is a word, Pandas. Wading. Love wading in the Red Sea here. It's coming, though. I know everyone knows it's coming. We're going to turn these accounts green. Watch. Just get ready, Pandas. It's going to happen. We're hard to take that short because this channel could be forming here. And we're basically selling right into the bottom of this channel if we are. And I should have. Or should have not. I don't know. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Ugh. I hate this. That's the only pullback I've had so far. It's the only pullback I've had so far. Silly trade. Silly trade. Closing above my entry point. Yikes. Yeah. Silly trade. Very dumb trade. Limit order trading here? I don't know, Pandas. Second entry short here at the bottom of this channel. I don't know, Pandas. Decent looking signal bar, actually. Second short does trigger. Don't know. Don't know. Second short trigger. Should I take the second short? Goodness. Yeah. Good second to short. Wowzers. I don't know, Pandas. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Just sell? The limit order here? Is that the play? Getting very confusing to me. Very confusing to me. I don't know. Doesn't fill me. Touches my entry, but doesn't fill me. Breaks down. I mean, what do I do? I'm trying to get short. I'm just gonna sell anywhere. I don't know. I have FOMO now. Just sell anywhere, everywhere. Just get me in there. Wide stop and just keep shorting it with limit orders. Is that the play, pandas? I don't know. Just get me in there anywhere, everywhere. Jeez Louise. It just keeps going down. I gotta sell somewhere. I gotta just get in. Please? Pretty please? Pretty please? Pretty please? Please? Okay. Pushes down now, I want more. If it pushes down now, I want more. And I'm dead. Ah, pandas, I cannot make money on this downtrend. I'm just trying to go short anywhere, everywhere. I mean, unless I do a wide stop, but I'm a little too scared for that. I don't want to risk too much either. I'd rather just keep my small risk here. And just hope for the fact this just keeps going down. And I'm just trapped out unless I just jump in anywhere. Okay. Another second just short? Gonna bust me here? Alright, I don't know, pandas. I'm trying to go short, pandas, but I cannot. Second just short here. Forming. Might as well try. I don't know. Got like 3 overlapping bars in a row. Typically not a good idea to go short here. And I don't know if it's even good to go for a reversal here either. Trap might trigger. So be it. Trap does trigger. Jeez, pandas. I mean, I don't know, pandas. What do I do here? I'm trying to go short, but I can't go short on the super strong downtrend. And when I go short, it does a deep pullback, and deep pullback takes me out, then go short again. I just don't know, pandas. What am I supposed to do here? Risky trades, though, down here. I mean, if this channel... I mean, how do you even draw this? How do you even draw this? How do you even chart this, pandas? What am I doing here? Right, deep pullback. Continues down anyways. Higher low here. I don't know. I'll probably take one more trade today. See what happens. Right, deep pullback and continues a downtrend after it takes me out. I mean, I guess I gotta just wait with limit order somewhere up here. Like, I don't know why I would have a limit order right here. It's a really random place to have a limit order. Higher low does trigger, but fails pretty quickly. Or reverses pretty quickly. Higher low. Okay. 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 Second entry short above the 20 MA. I could try. I mean, he's coming for a trend line, also for 20 MA here. Looking for a decent push up. No chance. Didn't stand a chance. Did not go long on the super strong downtrend. Stood no chance here. Down to K, pandas. I don't know if I can take any more trades today. This day is just it's ugly. Strong downtrend. I tried to enter many times short, and I could not enter. I mean, I tried many times. It just takes. I don't know. I just don't have the patience. Don't have the patience for this. The pullbacks are very slow. Gets fail second too long. I'll take one more trade here. Call it a day. Call this a day. Possibly turning to a trading range. Once you have like all these overlapping bars here like this, possibly turning to a trading range of some sort. Something like this, maybe. Starting to form some sort of trading range like this. Chart reverses. Okay. This will be last trade no matter what. Pandas, we're done. I just can't trade this market. I cannot. I can't. It's too tough. Too tough. We're getting our setups. Our setups fails. Like we're getting our setups going in the direction of the trend. They're all failing. They're all failing. It's really frustrating. I might as well. Okay. I don't know. I don't know if I could trust anything here. Tough. It finally does go down after it takes me out, though. Okay. Starting to look like a trading range. Interesting. Okay. Trap fails, trap fails. Decent push up. Very strong push up. Could bounce over a trend line here. Come back down to the bottom of the channel. Pandas! It could be a resistance area here. I mean, it doesn't trigger me, so. Wow. Tough, 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 tough. Ended up getting an okay scalp, just going short at the top of this channel. Alright, we shall try. We shall try the ultimate silliness here. Ultimate silly trade.
Target filled.
Okay. I want to trade, Pandas. At least 1-1. Can we continue this momentum? Is it possible to continue the momentum here? Can we do it? Can we do it? Making a new low here. Jeez. I mean, it's starting to look like it was beginning to turn to a trading range, though. It definitely, it basically was a second inch short on the 2500 tick. I just took a second inch short of the 2500 tick, just getting 10 points. Ruben says he believes. Okay, I mean, one last trade, right? It's one last trade. One last. How many times have I said that this stream? One last trade. I think it's start turning to a trading range soon, to be honest. Hopefully, you can use that to our advantage. Okay, 1-to-1 here. Is this silly to try? Is it really silly to even try? The 5-minute is crazy. Or the 5. Look at my day. If you think you have a hard time trading, look at how many orders I've done today. I'm down -1,000. Literally trying to go short the entire way down. I'm down. I'm the only panda who can literally go short on a downtrend and still lose $1,000. The trend is not your friend, it's a fiend. Okay, higher low here. Higher low, pandas. How can I take a higher low here? I can't. Comes back to the top of our channel here. It hits the top of the channel, hits the bottom. Jeez Louise. I mean, should I just keep going short here? Just have a limit order, come back to the bottom of the channel. I have to be a maniac to try that, right? I have to be absolutely insane, a madman, to actually try that. No? Looking for a fail second just short if we can get it. Oof. Yuck. This doesn't make any sense, pandas. This doesn't make any sense but thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers. Doesn't make any sense but thoughts and prayers. Undershoot leading to overshoot. Actually a pretty good short trade here in my opinion. With high risk comes high reward. Going for a 1 to 2 here, pandas. Can we get it? Can we get it? If this trap fails, actually might be a good short just to continue this downtrend. Instead of trying to do something cute like this. No matter what, last trade. Pandas, no matter what, last trade of the stream. No matter what. Oof. Not looking too good for me right now, pandas. Is not looking good. I'll tell you that much. Oh, I'm still alive. I don't know how. Oh, I'm still alive. Pandas. No. Pandas, it's not over till it's over. My goodness. How did I survive that? I have no clue. How did I actually survive that? I have absolutely no idea. Whoo! Oh, I should have came out break even maybe. The market said, here's a chance to come out break even. I thought we were gonna reverse. I thought we were good. I mean, why would it? Wow, I thought we were good. I said let's hold it. I thought we were good. Because it started to reverse. I said, all right, you know, if you're gonna reverse, I might as well hold. Pandas, I think that's it for today. Negative 1K day. Jeez Louise, pandas, how frustrating. How frustrating. How frustrating is that? I don't know. What can you do? It is what it is. Fail second entry long, last trade of the stream. Can we get it though? Again, top of the channel. Coming back to the bottom of the channel. Why not? Why not? Fail second entry long. Last trade of the stream, pandas. I mean, is that okay? Is that okay with you guys? Is that okay with you guys? It's okay with me. Fail second entry long. We didn't trigger the second entry long yet. I'm gonna be naughty here. I'm gonna be a little bit naughty. We're gonna be a little naughty today. Just a little bit naughty. Oh, this is bad trade. This is a bad trade. I don't have a good feeling about this at all, pandas. I really have a bad feeling about this. This is not a good idea. This is absolutely a horrible idea. The last trade of the stream. Might as well leave with a bang here. Inside bar, interesting. This is not good, pandas. This is not a good trade. I do not feel good about this at all. Okay. Okay. This is not a good trade. I really don't like this trade. Oh, that's a bad signal bar too. I mean, this is one of the worst trades you could possibly do. No? I gotta cancel this. I gotta cancel it. Last trade of the stream, pandas. Let's shoot for the stars. Let's shoot for the oh no. Oh no. Supernova. The star has exploded. The star has exploded, pandas. We've made a boo-boo. We made a big-time boo-boo here. The star has exploded. Abort. Abort. Pandas, abort. Abort mission. The star exploded. All right, pandas, we're done. I knew that was a bad trade. In fact, I should have reversed it. I don't know why I did that trade. I should have gone long there because I knew how bad that was. It felt so icky. That was such an icky trade. What can I say, pandas? Fail second entry short, last trade of the stream. Fail second entry short, last trade of the stream. If we get it near here. All right. Last trade of the stream, pandas. No matter what. Last trade of the stream. No matter what. No matter what, pandas. Oh boy. Oh boy. Second inch is short on the higher time frames. Looks good. Should have gone short at the higher time frames. Oh my gosh, pandas. What is this monstrosity? The second inch is short on the 2500 tick chart. Beautiful signal bar. Beautiful bounce off the 20 EMA. Should have taken that as my last trade of the stream. But pandas. Things are unclear when you're tilted. I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday, pandas. What a terrible day. It is what it is. I'll see you guys then. Enjoy your weekends, everybody. Hope everyone comes back ready for next week. Pandas! I'll see you guys. Enjoy your weekend. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.